Hi, I'm Carmen Geddes, and welcome to Ten Sisters TV. I'm so glad you're joining us in our Ten Sisters Tote series. Today, I want to talk a little bit about the stabilizer that we are putting in to stabilize our bags. If you're new to Ten Sisters Totes, the pattern is available on TenSisters.com in the shop, and it comes with easy piecing grid for the 1.5 inch finished, but all the other sizes are available. So because we print easy piecing grid in 4 sizes, the Ten Sisters Tote is designed to let you follow one set of instructions, but choose 4 different sizes of bags. And so we label our grid by the finished size. So this is the 2-inch finished, which makes an awesome, great big huge tote, which I love. This one is the 1.5 inch finish that I showed you. This is a really great size for all sorts of carrying around. The 1 inch finished, and then not to be forgotten, our adorable little 1/2 inch finished. And so I think every sewing room needs to have one of these for treats or more treats or other treats. So that's, I think, one of the fun things about this pattern. But today I want to talk about how we're going to stabilize that. You've got lots of choices. This one, I have used the foam style batting, or there's soft and stable. There's some different names for where, and I'll show you these. But this is going to give you a little bit more stiff version of that. You can also do batting. So the 1 inch finished is using just regular batting. Now this is a smaller bag, and so it kind of just holds its shape a little bit better just because of the size of it. But this I use just regular batting, and the same with our little 1/2 inch finished. And then I wanted to show you this bag. This is the same 2 inch finished tote, but I wanted, to me, this is more of like a fun shopping bag feel. This is a bag that I can fold up and pull out while I'm doing my shopping at the quilt show. This would actually be a really cute bag for your grocery shopping bag. And this is, or a beach bag. This is a lot less structured, and so I used flannel on this one. So I'm going to show you these different stabilizers. And this one is the foam. So it is a little bit thicker, much more structured, and it's, really going to hold its shape. And then just regular batting or flannel. Now, you've got other choices. You could even use nothing if you wanted to, because when you sew your outer bag using easy piecing grid, there is quite a bit of structure and body to this just by virtue of the fusible foundation that stays in it. And so you could even do a bag with nothing on the inside, and it would even be easier to fold up to take around. So those are some fun options. I would love to hear your comments if you've used something different, if you've had success with any of these, or if you've got any questions about these. So I hope you'll check out our other videos on the Ten Sisters Tote to give you lots of ideas for making this bag and doing some really fun variations. So we'll see you next time on Ten Sisters TV. If you like the videos, we'd love for you to just subscribe and share it with your friends, and we'll see you next time.